which is the Malacanang Palace in the US. And Asia is the fastest growing region among the different. It's a $31 billion export industry. And electronics, which accounts for 1/4. So the Philippines, you could say, is a of the electronics industry. I would like to give the floor now to our...
Special thanks to the 242 companies that form SAPI, the moving spirit that has made your sector among the most united and organized of Philippine industries. I have heard about your GAINS program for global competitiveness, advocacy, information, networking, and services, and that it is the most forward-looking industry strategy in the country. Congratulations to you. We saw a part of your work in the two presentations today. And for the ordinary Filipino, the Philippine economic landscape of the 21st century would be unrecognizable without your industries. You have every right to claim to be the driver of the Philippine economy. As Ernie said in the beginning of his speech, you produce 2/3 of Philippine exports. Over 1 billion Philippine-made memory chips, power devices, disk drives, digital signal processors, magnetic heads, and similar products are found in various electronic appliances all over the world, coming from you. Because of you, our country has an 18% share of the global electronics market since 2006. I thank you also personally because during my presidency, you have earned $200 billion for our country. Your exports have grown almost 50%, from $22 billion in 2001 to $31 billion a year. And I was looking at the growth rate of the world and of Asia. Your exports in the last 7 years have grown faster than the rest of Asia. Your industries have been major job creators. You give direct employment to almost 500,000 Filipinos. That is the same number as our Department of Education, which is our largest single government employer. Your sector invested $5 billion during my administration. And the peak, the rise in investments, was with Texas Instruments, which by itself is pumping more than $1 billion for a new operation in Clark, not to mention its new activities in Baguio. So we thank Bing for bringing that investment over.